When you get to the point in your life and you say, you know what, I'm going to be this person no matter what, that's when transformation starts to happen, because you start to look at those things like, I know this right here is going to scare me, but I'm going to do it anyways. I know this is going to happen, but I'm still going to do it anyways. You know how many times before I hopped on an interview with people, my heart is thumping. I'm like, oh man, am I going to say something dumb? Am I going to read off the list right? Or is this thing, that's a roadblock. That's a roadblock. But the thing is, though, you figure out how to go past that. So it is crazy. But once you, I just recorded this podcast yesterday too. Once you understand the rules to the game, because life is a game. Once you understand those rules, all those same rules apply to everything. That's why you see somebody build a business, and then they take that same knowledge, that same concept, go write a book. That same knowledge, that same concept, go have a successful family, because they took the time to understand the rules to the game. And it takes time. It doesn't happen overnight.